Welcome back to DIY RV and Home. My name's Greg. Recently on the channel we've been doing some special effect videos, and I've had a couple people ask me how I'm doing them, particularly my daughter. So Nicole, this one's for you. I decided we were making another video today that I'd show you how I've done it. Okay, so this trick is levitating this cup in midair. Okay, you can do this at a party. You can astonish a lot of people. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grasp the cup with both hands, okay? And you're going to tell everybody, concentrate on this. And you start concentrating. And slowly start letting your hands move away. You got to do it real slow. Sometimes it'll start dropping, so you got to make sure it doesn't fall. Okay, there you go. So that's the trick, okay? So now let me show you how I've done it. That is, you need to get online, go to Amazon, type in that search bar, whole stickers, okay? Now they comes in packs of 10s, 20s, and 100s, so you can do this trick over and over, and they're actually relatively inexpensive. So, when you get those in, you take one of those stickers, you stick it to the side of the cup, just like I did right here, see? Okay? So you stick that right on the side of the cup, okay? Make sure that your friends and whoever you're showing this trick to don't see it. And then when you're ready, you tell everybody that they need to concentrate on the cup, and as you go ahead and bring your hands together, and tell them they got to concentrate too, and you concentrate, and then slowly start moving your hands away. Don't let it hit the ground though, okay? It's that simple. All it is, it's a hole sticker. There you go. Hope you enjoyed that, how that trick was done. See you on the next video.